Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to spending quality time with your girl, Eposisiton. Today is all about party. It's all about when you're the one hosting the party. Things that you have to have in mind. Things that you have to plan ahead of time and you don't even need a party planner. You know, you can give half of the budget for them to do the other stuff, but by the time you go to your party planner, you already have all your things in place. So now let's get started. When we're talking about the party, yeah, it's all about the dress for the party, how you want your immediate family to look like during the party. Say, for example, if it's a big birthday party for your husband, you want to start thinking of how you want your kids to dress for those who have kids. For those who don't have kids, you are going to be the main person for the party. So you want to find this fabulous dress that when you walk into the party, it's already saying that's the host. You know, you want to outdress everybody in the party. Yes, it's your day, it's your night. It's not a terrible thing for you to want to outdress everybody. That's how it should be. So, the dress. The dress is something that you want to start looking for your dress a year in advance because you don't want your own party for somebody to wear your same dress. So, I've already had a show that I talked about looking for your dress so you don't spend too much money and you're not wearing the same dress with your guests. So, please, shop for your dress way ahead of time. You have a lot of sites out there that you can shop for your dress. You can go to Neiman Marcus, Lord & Taylor's, Hex. Back then it was Hex, I'm sorry. Today it's Macy's, Nordstrom's. And if you just want to go to the cheaper stores because you're shopping ahead of time, you can go to the retail stores like TJ Maxx, Marshalls. You're not going to be disappointed because sometimes they have some fabulous dresses. Even Ross. If you shop ahead of time, you can go to wherever you want to go to look for your dresses. They also have some online stores. I have a show on that to tell you where you can buy online. And you even have rental dresses that they sell, which were celebrity dresses that they are renting out. You can also decide to do that. So you're wearing some couture gown because this is your day, this is your night. It's not inappropriate if you have to spend a lot of money just for that dress, but it's a dress that you're probably going to wear just one time. So how particular outfit, so that's something you might want to keep in mind. But that's your day, so that day you want to shine. And if it's a surprise party for your husband, you probably know the size of your husband. You might know the shop that your husband shops at. You might have, like for my husband, I know the shop he shops at. I know those who dress him up. So you can contact them to look for this wonderful suit that's going to be outstanding. And for him, so you might go to them and say, you know, I want this so outfit for my husband. For my husband, they have his size and everything already. So that's something that you might want to find out what your husband's size is and everything, so you can have this well trimmed suit for your husband that when he walks in, he's going to make a statement. And if it's a party that your husband already knows, that's when you guys have to go out there and shop for the best suits. You know, and sometimes if it's a party that your husband doesn't even know, you might want to make him think that it's his best friend's party, so he's not going to find it odd why he's dressing up so much. You know, but for your kids, I always say I want my kids to look better than me. So you want your kids to stand out. There are lots of places you can shop for kids, even at Macy's, Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom's, even Neiman Marcus. They have a kids section where you can have fabulous kids to also stand out. That's your party. So that's part of the job you've already done for your planner. Also, it's your party. Yeah, your planner probably has all the catering arrangements, but you probably want your own foods because for us Africans, there are particular foods that I'm going to want on the tables. So you might make it halfway easy for your party planner by telling her exactly, make a menu of the things that you want and just let her know. So you tell her where she can cater the ones that she don't know where to cater them. So you can have all the meals that you want, and that's also breaking their job halfway. Also, drinks. You know your husband, you know his friends. Your party planner might know all the wonderful drinks that are out there because that's what they do. But you want to present the drinks that your husband and his friends drink. So you might do the job for your party planner by selecting the drinks that your husband drinks and let your party planner do. And what better way you can even go out and get those drinks by yourself. That's also going to reduce you spending so much money for the party planner. Your flowers, yeah, you have to have a choice of flowers that you want to use for your party. Don't let your planner impose on you what she likes. That's not her party, that's your party. Yeah, most planners will say, give me your preferences. But that's something you want to think ahead of time. So last minute, you're not just jumping into a color because there's not too much time. And flowers are not cheap. So you might want to decide if you want to get natural flowers or you want to get the synthetic flowers. Synthetic flowers are not a bad idea because some of them are really fabulous and some of them look so real. So that's something depending on your budget, because real flowers are going to be very expensive. So that's something you also want to talk with your planner and let them know what your preference is. Also, when it comes to things like jewelry, that's something that you also want to pay attention to, because a day like that, you want to stand out. You, your husband, and your kids, you want to look fabulous. For the kids, kid-appropriate jewelry. Don't wear a jewelry for a 16-year-old that's going to look like it's a lady of 40. So you want to get age-appropriate jewelry. Husband, you know, he might want to change when the party is already going on. He might decide to go wear something casual and simple. So he might want a beautiful necklace or some nice accessories that are just going to make him fly and stand out. And for you, you might also want to change later in the party and wear something more casual so you can interact with your guests and don't feel so uptight. And also, you might want to just wear a fabulous jewelry to make the outfit come out, even though it's a simple outfit. When it comes to shows like this, it's not going to be a one-time show, because I try to make my shows not too long. So I'm going to make a segment which is going to be a part 2 of this same show, which is going to be how to prepare for your party. Today it was all about the dress, how to plan your menu, and also where to get what you want to wear. But we're going to have other segments where we're going to talk about more stuff that involves party planning. All right? Yeah. This show, like I always said, is my fashion and style show. So this is the fashion show. And when it comes to fashion, fashion is on everything. Outfits, presentation, everything. So we're still under, you know, a scope of what we're talking about. So please, watch me all the time to get more tips on how you can present yourself out there when you're going to parties, or how you can plan a party and prepare yourself for your party. All right? Thank you so much for spending quality time with your girl, Efosisi Tom. Thank you. Thank you so much. And bye for now. Bye for now.